Hi friends, Miss Hazel here.
And Miss Kate.
Okay, we're back. Happy New Year. Starting with some new projects for the new year. This is a CD hanging. Look at that. I wove onto the CD with it. I'm going to show you how to do that today. I'm going to leave that right here and we'll get started. I had some scrap yarn at my house. Lots of people have scrap yarn, and you could coordinate your colors or you could just do whatever. I kind of had my 6 colors and I used them in different places. So you're going to start with your CD, and I've got a plastic sewing needle, which is pretty big. So I'm going to start, maybe I'll use red. So you want to do maybe like two arm lengths, because you're going to have, that's probably enough to start with. Get my scissors and cut that. On my way. Ah, okay. Oh well, I'll get that after. It fell into the trash can next to the table. Oh, it's magically appeared. All right. You're going to go with your needle. You want to keep this on the back and go through, find the end, and then you're going to need to make a knot. I tried it with tape, but the tape, the yarn pulled out from the tape. So you're just going to secure it with some kind of a knot. Do the best you can to get it tight. There you go. And then you can trim it. And then you're going to go through the hole and come back around. Like that. Back through. Oh, I went back. Okay. Through. Go from the top to the bottom.
So just always make sure you're going in the same direction.
Hold it up and go like from the top to the bottom. Drop it down. Pull it through. And you want to do this so that you have an odd number. Okay, here we go. Around 17 times. Oh, I should have. Okay. All right, so I'm going back around, and now that's 17 times, and then spread it around. Then you're going to go on the back and go underneath a couple of the stitches. And that'll kind of lock it in, go around again. Then you're going to go back through, and your first color that you'll weave, you can see I did it here, is going to be the same color that you did as your loom that you put on there. And you want to go over and under. It'll be easier when you have 2 different colors of yarn. But you're going to go over one and under one, and the plastic needle makes it kind of easy. Over and under, and go all the way around a couple of times. Okay, you can go. Okay, and once you get it around a few times, you can cut your end of your yarn and take that little bit and just tuck it in, because when you put your next color, it'll cover it up. Okay, there we go. Pick another color. You don't want too much, maybe as long as your arms are, so that it's easy to weave. Cut it, use your big needle, spread it through, and then you're going to go back in over and under, so you can see here. Just push it to the end, because when you keep doing it, spread it out a little bit. When you keep doing it, it'll just keep going around and around and around, over and under. If you have 2 overs or unders next to each other, it doesn't really matter, because in the end, it all just looks like a circle that goes around and around. There you go. I came back over this one and over and under. When I come back around the next way, it's opposite. And you just keep building and building and going around and around and around. Then when you have as many as you like, kind of put that away. I'll show you how to put it together. So here we are. I've got my 3. Take this one out so you can see. You're going to lay them down next to each other on the back side. You're going to grab a piece of yarn, not too long, but you can cut the end of it, and you'll use your needle, thread it. You want to come in one side, and then line it up, and then come back the other way here together. Although I'm doing 2, I think you could do 1, it would be fine as well. And then you're making a knot to tie them together. Make a knot and trim your extra edges. Make sure you're not, tuck it down. There you go. That's tied together. And then when you do your top, you can just, I just tied a piece to the top. So you take your same piece, just put a piece of string under it, make a knot on the top, any way that you want to make a loop, and then you can hang it like that. I tied it 2 different ways, but you could tie it this way too. That would be easy. So, all right. There you have it. A wall hanging of scrap yarn and CDs. Okay.
That's fun.
Thank you all for joining us today. If you like this video, you can subscribe below to our YouTube channel, Alameda Arts. Take good care of yourselves. Bye now.
Bye, everyone.